When you think of WordPress, you might think, hey, it's a blogging platform or maybe a platform where I can build my small business website. But there's more to WordPress that you don't know about. In fact, if you think about WordPress like that, you're just looking at the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more to WordPress that you don't know about. In fact, over 40%, yes, over 40% of the world's websites, the entire world's websites are built on WordPress. And in this video, I'm going to feature 15 of the world's most well-recognized, popular, highly trafficked websites that are actually built on the WordPress platform. And I'm pretty sure you might not have known that these websites that I'm going to mention are built on WordPress. So let's start the video. By the way, if you want to find out if a particular website is using WordPress, all you have to do is go to isitwp.com and enter the name of the website and click Analyze. IsItWP will check if the website is using WordPress and will also try to detect the themes and plugins that the website is using. That's how I confirm that the websites I'm going to feature next are actually using WordPress. Let's begin. The first website I'm going to mention is Sony Music. Yep, you heard that right. The website for one of the biggest music labels in the world runs on WordPress. The second website I'm going to mention is the PlayStation blog. Who doesn't know what PlayStation is? But not everyone knows that their blog is actually powered by WordPress. The third website on the list is TechCrunch. One of the world's most popular technology websites is indeed powered by WordPress. The fourth website I'm going to mention is the Meta Newsroom. The Facebook Newsroom website, which covers new features, product launches, and more about the Meta product suite, is powered by WordPress. The next website on the list is Time Magazine. And Time Magazine, as you probably know, is one of the longest running American news websites and online magazine. And I'm pretty sure that you've heard about them. And yes, they are indeed powered by WordPress. The next website on the list is the CNN Press Room. The CNN Press Room is the official website for CNN's PR department. And yes, it is powered by WordPress. The seventh website on the list is Disney Books. The official website for the publishing arm of Disney is powered by, you guessed it, WordPress. The next website on the list is Spotify Newsroom. You can consider this website as Spotify's blog, where they cover news, updates, and releases related to music, and it's powered by WordPress. The ninth website on the list is Wired Magazine, which is an online magazine that covers technology and how it affects other areas of life. They are one of the most recognized online tech publications, and they of course are powered by WordPress. Number 10 on this list is Microsoft News. Microsoft News is a blog run by Microsoft that covers news, updates, and stories about how Microsoft's products are making an impact. And yes, it is powered by WordPress. The next website on the list is the TED Blog. The TED Blog covers impactful stories from around the world similar to TED Talks, and their website is, of course, powered by WordPress. The next website on the list is the Yelp Blog. The Yelp Blog covers everything from the best businesses, wide economic trends, career options, and more, and they're happily powered by WordPress. Number 13 on this list is the White House website. Yes, that's correct. The White House's official website is powered by and even hosted by WordPress. Number 14 on this list is the Dallas Mavericks. The official website for the popular NBA team is indeed powered by WordPress. Number 15 on this list is Katy Perry's website, katyperry.com. The world-renowned singer's official website covers her music, videos, concerts, amongst other things. And of course, it is powered by WordPress. Number 16 on this list, which I'd like to mention as a bonus entry, is the New York Post. It's a daily newspaper that covers regional and national news in a variety of topics. And of course, it is powered by WordPress. And that's it, folks. The biggest websites in the world that are powered by WordPress. What do you think about this list? Exciting? Bulb on for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how to build your own website, you can watch this video right here, which breaks down the entire process step by step. I'll see you there.